Keeps for sponsoring this video.
Back in the shop today. Look what's back in my shop. Dar's Jeep. He's got some body work done on it. It's rough still, but that's not what I'm doing. I am gonna weld a few things on it and put some seat belts in it. We're taking it wheeling tomorrow. You guys are finally gonna get a payoff video of this Jeep working, doing what we built it to do. So runs, drives, everything's good with it. I just got some stuff to button up and we'll go crawl it a little tomorrow. All right, I'll give you a quick rundown on what I'm doing. Dar put these inner fenders in it and we're gonna go ahead and weld them in. They're just tacked. Same with this side over here. Just all tacked in. Just so it had a little fender in here. We'll put those in it. And some seat belts. It's gonna need seat belts. And his back seat, I think. So he's got seat belts right there. We'll go to there, get this done. The inside's coming along, he's getting there. A few little things to do. I got the seat belt tabs welded in it. Seat belts are put in. I just gotta bolt them all up. Then we gotta bolt the back seat in. I still gotta build these things. I'm gonna hurry and bend those and weld them up. And this thing's gonna be ready to go Jeeping for its first time in a long time. Okay, seat belts are installed. I got a muffler hanger I gotta put on, I guess. There's a bunch of random wires hanging under here that I need to deal with, or they'll get ripped off. I'll go underneath, look at the exhaust and see what I gotta do, but we're about ready to take it for a rip. All right, it's leaving my yard once again, but this time it's ready to go Jeeping. Dar's gonna go down and put the skid plate back on it. Next time you see it, we're gonna be at Hog Canyon Jeeping.
Race ready.
Yeah. Hey look, there's old Michelle. Yeah, it's ready.
Alright.
Doesn't it look ready?
Looks like it needs to be painted, and then it'll be ready.
All in due time. Unless he tips it over tomorrow, then it won't be ready to get painted.
What's going on today?
Today is a wheeling day. We're gonna go do a little playing today. It's pretty cool for our viewers because we got a whole bunch of rigs that I built and helped build.
Not only that, we have our giveaway winners here today with us too. They get to go wheeling with us as well.
We're gonna go see rock crawling firsthand.
They're from Wisconsin. They don't have a lot of mountains, I guess. I've never been there before, but that's what they said. So it should be a fun day.
Should be a good one if we don't break or tip over. Should be good.
Cross your fingers.
You never know.
Wow, look who just rolled up.
Here, we're in a rush.
I like your shirt.
We've got to be.
All right,
You
well,
guys got a lunch?
I got a lunch.
We don't have a lunch.
Well, go get you a
Gotta go
Lunchable.
find one.
Go get you a Lunchable.
Otherwise, it's gonna get beat.
Oh,
to
we're in the
death.
candy aisle?
You can't walk into a store and not go to the candy aisle.
Where's the... All right, so now we're gonna go pick up Brendan and his wife Tiffany from their Airbnb.
Here's my lunch.
You ready?
Oh yeah.
All right. So we got them with us now. Hello. Ever been something like super steep in a truck?
Oh, in a truck?
No.
No.
Okay. This should be fun. Yes.
Yeah.
Like, I'm gonna get out because somebody has to film, right?
Well, of course, why wouldn't we?
Yeah. You guys don't feel obligated to stay in though.
Oh, I can't wait.
We'll give it a splash of the good stuff.
So what did you think when you won the giveaway?
I couldn't believe it. I don't win things like that, so that was pretty awesome to get that phone call. And
How's it been so far?
we've had so much fun.
Old Dar, maiden voyage. So we got Papa Dar's Jeep, JD and Trayson. We got Gary's rig.
Yeah,
You ready for round 2?
round 2?
Hog Canyon round 2. So we've got Rafe here too that's joining us today. So we're just about ready to go. Airing down Papa Dar's tires for the first time.
First time these have ever been aired down. All right, let's roll.
We're off.
That's right.
Brendan's wife got in with Darwin.
I'm all strapped in.
Yeah.
That's a happy sight, you know that?
Seeing that Jeep.
That thing was like a shop ornament. It never left my shop.
And now look at her.
It's driving.
Now look at it.
Well, what's your first impression, Dar?
It rides a whole lot nicer than it used to.
I could tell you're going way faster than normal.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now if I can just remember how to shift the transfer case.
Now, I like going for drives, but this is its own kind of fun.
So we're about to the gatekeeper of this trail where everybody turns around.
What do you think so far, Brendan?
This is really fun. I have never done anything like this.
See, this is the steep one right here.
Okay.
You getting in?
Oh,
You
yeah,
in or
I
out?
see it. No, I'm in.
Okay.
I'm in good hands.
Which straight off or turn?
Nope, you're good right there.
Okay. Hey, it's got more brakes than it used to have. We're gonna go down that hill and up out the other side.
All right.
Probably get my legs sunburned today.
I am impressed that you're staying in there. Woo!
Right. Very nice. Oh, I'm having so much fun. Trying not to scream.
Should we try it? We can try it.
I would. You need to move over passenger way about 2 feet if you're going to drive up it. Like that. Yeah, now you got to commit to drive up it. Maybe more commitment.
That was a ride.
All right, let's see if we can do this.
Got it.
Wow.
Will JD and Trayson do it? Will they do it? You're doing it.
Yeah, I'm doing it. As soon as your front tire comes up over it, just drive up it.
Easy as that.
Not quite enough go. Slow and easy. 1 foot on the brake, 1 foot on the gas. Okay, turn straight. You got it.
Nice.
Easy peas.
Wow.
Well, so far, you've been in cab more than I have ever on this trail.
Yeah, I'm Michelle's up.
Oh,
She's a
really?
walker, not a rider.
Oh,
Fell
yeah.
in that hole. We'll probably fall in it and dip on our side. We fell in it. Yeah, I think Dar likes his Jeep. He just takes off and goes now.
Yeah, he can do it. Woo!
5 more inches of wheelbase does.
Yep.
Nobody's broken yet today.
Oh gosh.
Nope. We need to hook him. You're good, Dar. All right, let's see if we can guess where the road's at.
Oh my gosh, really?
I hope this isn't a giant edge.
Oh, stop it.
Maybe right there is our shady spot. We'll back up to that. That's what we're doing. For one time, we get to do what I want to do.
Big gulp, huh? Well, see you later. All right, we've stopped to eat some lunch, and then we'll hit the trail again. These guys are showing me up right now.
I was gonna say
They're not even, they're novices.
Yeah.
And my
by
gosh,
far.
you guys are just staying in.
Michelle's never rode up anything in Hog Canyon. Not one trail.
Nope.
Not one hard obstacle.
I'm
anyway.
tired enough now, though, that I'll probably just
You
keep
just
on
stay in.
riding. Oh, it's right there. I'm not kidding. You're going to hit it. I think you're tired of
I
it.
think we missed it. It was that killer spotting from you.
Gosh, I told you there was one there. You're welcome.
I thought Paul said there weren't any more options.
This isn't an obstacle. This is just the road.
Yeah. That's so fun.
Oh, Michelle.
I like this part, too, a lot. Like I said, I'm too tired to get out. So we're just going to...
You're just, well, if
We're
I
just
die,
gonna-
I die.
We're going to rough it.
Just
Why?
keep eating them.
Or are we just going down this? Oh my.
Ooh, barely lived through that one.
Gary knows that he does not have to do that. This is like a skinny little thing.
What if we fall off the ledge?
Stop.
It's gonna be
Let's
touch
not
and
do
go.
it with
I don't know.
guests, please.
Yeah.
Most people don't get to see this view.
Yeah.
Right? Oh my word.
You want to drive, Shell?
No. You. Oh my gosh. Okay. Why? Do you do stupid
I'm sorry.
stuff like that to me?
I'm sort of sorry, I guess.
You guys were scared too. Just admit it. That scared you.
I was startled.
Thank you.
Yeah, I think everyone was startled because Michelle just took all the air out of the room.
Well, I thought we were dead. Oh my gosh. I wasn't ready for that one.
There was a tree right there. I'm gonna make it there and see that river one of these days.
Well, if you guys are ever up in Wisconsin, I'll show you around.
Yeah,
Sounds good.
I plan on seeing America.
I want to go to England. I think that'd be cool. I really want to go to Australia, but it's locked down super tight.
Yo, we had plans to go to Ireland for our 50th
Oh, I would love that
anniversary.
too. End of the road.
Nobody broke down today.
Nobody broke down today. JD left a little early.
Said he had to work.
Yeah,
That's lame.
jobs.
Yeah.
So what'd you guys think?
Amazing intro to rock crawling and off-roading.
Yeah, if you want to get introduced to rock crawling and stuff, these are your guys. All right. How was round 2?
It was fantastic.
All right.
Even better than round 1.
How did she perform?
Awesome. but our project failed.
What?
It was supposed to make me not tired at the end of the day. It wears you right out.
Well, you've been in the sun all day too. Oh, mission accomplished.
Of course.
Now we just need a paint job.
Yeah, now we need to get her painted up.
Yep. All right, so we're back on the highway. We're gonna drop these guys off so they can get a little nap if they want to, and then we're gonna cook some dinner and have a little barbecue tonight. So we're ending the day with the cookout. You guys like Dutch oven potatoes? Hi, buddy. We're just singing Kumbaya by the fire.
All right, so we had a good day. Nobody broke down. Nobody crashed. JD even made it the whole day without breaking down. No, he didn't. I had to start his truck once. So it was a good day.
We're glad that Brendan and Tiffany could be here with us.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Shout out to East Sign Experiences for taking Brendan and Tiffany on one of the repelling tours and letting them stay in one of their awesome little container houses for the weekend. If you guys are ever in southern Utah, check them out. You will not regret it. It seems like we always do our Keeps commercials in here.
I think we should switch it up.
Yeah, let's go in the Jeepster.
2 out of 3 guys will experience some sort of male pattern baldness by the time you're 35.
A licensed doctor will review your information online.
You can message your Keeps doctor 24/7 if you ever have any questions or concerns.
Keeps offers generic versions, so it's the most affordable option.
Prevention is key.
So it's important to act fast.
So if you're ready to take action and prevent hair loss, go to keeps.com/fabrats and click on the link in the description to get 50% off your first order.